Welcome to STEM Week with STEM NOLA. We are very excited to be working with you all today.
It's STEM Week in St. Helena Parish. Teachers at 3 different schools enlisted the help of STEM NOLA to engage more than 1,200 pre-K through 12th grade students in hands-on activities to pique their interest in STEM.
Today we're going to be talking about friction, and we're going to build some very cool things, including a car that you are absolutely going to love.
Okay, is everyone ready now?
Yeah.
Okay, great. So on the count of 3, you guys are gonna shoot your catapults, okay? And we're gonna see whose one is gonna go the furthest. 1, 2, 3, go.
Okay, so I need you to take out your tape for me. This is what the color of your car is gonna be.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take one of this, our wheel and axle, and we're gonna place it through the first hole.
Is everybody finished?
Okay.
Ooh, nice. Fancy. Ooh, I like it.
Throughout, the students are applying problem-solving skills, analytical thinking skills, and the ability to work independently.
So today, guys, again, we're going to first focus on circuits, and we're going to build a stoplight. It's a complicated build, but you guys can do it.
I want you to ensure that the short side, which is your negative side, is facing top. Put your 2 ends together, and where the dotted line is, you stop and you tape it. That's it.
I did it.
Good. So now we're gonna check and see if it actually works, guys.
All right. It's challenging, it's engaging, and most importantly, it's fun.
Your cars look awesome. I hope you guys had so much fun today with Miss Amika. Thanks for coming, and I hope I get to see y'all again.
All right, thank you.
Thank y'all.
Bye.
Bye.